Welcome to Atmospheric Natural Landscapes in Watercolor. We all want to paint a beautiful atmospheric landscape. Often we have that perfect image of our completed painting in our heads. But how do we get there? It's tricky when you don't know how or where to start. Put simply, the answer is understanding the relationship between timing and mixing paint on wet paper. If you're not careful, all the colors will run together and make a mess. I'm going to help you build your confidence and skills so that you can paint any landscape with ease. In this class, I'm going to show you my two-step process in painting an atmospheric landscape. I'll show you how to sketch a quick drawing with pencil. Then we'll begin painting by focusing mainly on wet in wet techniques. To paint with this technique, you'll need to slowly add paint into an already wet area. This is crucial in creating that mesmerizing atmospheric look. We'll also go through how to use wet on dry techniques in the second wash to bring out the fine details and sharper contrasts. So follow along with me as I guide you through our journey of creating light, softness, and atmosphere.